What is up, y'all? Steve Chopper here. I'm back. I'm a personal trainer and I'm a coach. I just wanted to make this video just to rant. Just a quick rant. I just wanted to get this point across. And I'm going to be super quick with it. Focus on the simple things. Focus on the simple things. Do those consistently and those will yield the most results. I think all of us are guilty. Trainers alike. Everyone is guilty of doing this sometimes when they might see someone who's wherever in their goal or whatever, or in their journey, and we might complicate things sometimes. I guess sometimes because we don't know, sometimes because our mind just gets clouded with things because that happens. But the reason why they're there, most of them, or in terms of their journeys, their finances, whatever the case might be, is because they did the basic things really well, and over time they continue to do the basics well over time. That's what I'm trying to say. So same thing goes in fitness. If you're a finance person, you feel like I'm wrong, please put in the comments, correct me if I am wrong. But in fitness, there are certain things, certain concepts, which is don't overeat, eat mindfully, watch what you eat. If you know something is not great for your health, more often than not, because no one is perfect, stay away from it or reduce the amount that you intake of it. Stay moving, stay active, do things that you enjoy that help you stay active. And those are the basics. Strength training, so that as you get older, you don't lose strength and lose muscle super rapidly, because that's something that's going to happen to all of us, but you can absolutely delay the process. So those are the basics, guys. Let's stick to the basics. We'll look better for it. We'll feel better for it. We'll be thankful for it. And yeah, let's just stop complicating stuff. If you haven't gotten certain things right that are the most acute of variables, don't worry about those. You'll get to those. Maybe you won't, but chances are you will someday. But just focus on these. Focus, like in weight training, focus on the basic movements first before you want to try do insert whatever movement that you want to insert in there. Okay, focus on the basics first. Master the basics, master them over time, do them consistently, and I promise you, you will be better off than most people who do complicated stuff but then only do it now and then, but it looks cool for Instagram or TikTok. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, I just had to get that off my chest. I feel like someone needed to see that. Please make sure you like the video, dogs. Thank you for watching, as always. I'm sorry if this came off like that was not the intention. I just felt like I needed to get that out there. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.